Hello, my name is Gregor von Laschewski, and I will be talking today about SSH key generation for our Future Systems account. And this lesson is especially for OS X and Linux users, and we need a terminal to start out with. I have already opened up a terminal, and we will be using in this particular terminal the ssh-keygen command. The command will be generating some files that are located in the .ssh directory. So let's take a look at this. As I have not created previously any keys, this directory is empty. So what you will have to do is, in case you have already created an SSH key, just use this. In case not, you will have to create new keys with the ssh-keygen command. As you can see, there are man pages. You can inspect those, and from these man pages we will be focusing on using the -c comment command that we will be adding to our keys. So let's just issue that particular command, say ssh-keygen -c, which is a comment that will be added to your public portion of the key. And in this case, we just use, for example, the email. You can use some other distinguishing information if you would like to have it. And that's helpful if you have multiple keys for multiple machines, so you know which key is coming from where. So I'm using just my email and press return. It will write the output into the default directory. Again, if you have already used a different key, you may want to specify a different file name here. And you have to specify a passphrase. This is very important that you don't use an empty key for no passphrase. So don't type in return, use a strong passphrase. And as you know, a lot of people try to maybe break into systems, and if you get a hold of your key, if you have a passphrase associated with this is a little bit more difficult to crack. So just make sure that you do this. Under no circumstances expose your private portion of the key, but keep that private. So we have chosen a passphrase, a strong passphrase, and entered it. And we see the result of that particular execution. A key is generated in the file, and a key random art image is generated from it. So let's take a look at the SSH key directory, so .ssh, and we see two files created, the idrsa file and the idrsa.pub file. The first file, idrsa, should not be shared with anybody. Actually must not. And you need to be keeping it private, so no one should be able to access this particular file. And the public key will be later on uploaded to our portal. That's something that we will be telling you about in another lesson. And that's all there is to know about creation of a key. Remember, the only thing that you need to use for future access to future systems is idrsa.pub. Thank you very much for watching, and we will have other videos that will explain more. As a summary, here's what we have done. We have learned about ssh-keygen. We have used the -c attribute to add things, and you can find more information about in mycloudmesh.org. Thank you.